The Content Creation Kit, transforming traditional training into immersive learning experiences. Find out how simple it is to craft custom virtual reality content that meets your organization's specific training needs. This all-inclusive kit is ideal for everyone, from experienced developers to those just starting out. Equipped with intuitive features like drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-built templates, and interactive learning mechanics, creating engaging VR training content has never been easier. Enhance your learning and development programs with dynamic AI-powered features like the Ask Me Anything virtual expert, who interacts in real time with your learners. Once your content is ready, you can test, iterate, and refine it within the kit, then deploy it to your workforce using the Enterprise platform by SkillsVR. This ensures engaging and transformative learning experiences for your employees. Ready to revolutionize your training approach? Contact us to discover more about the Content Creation Kit and how we can bring your training visions to life.